Hey traders, thank you for joining me. Um, this is a series that will be covering a $1,000 portfolio and continuing to follow it as it progress through the year. The goal of this series is to show that even a small portfolio can grow given persistence, determination, and um, dedication. So here is my year-to-date breakdown. The the portfolio started February 8th, 2021 with $118. I deposited $1,000. Here's the weekly breakdown. I had a little issue this week with my bank and transferring in money, and hence why this activity right here. But that has been straightened out and um, attempted to deposit 1,000 again. This week I was able to place 4 positions. Um, the 2 positions that are showing as 1 share right here, um, they were already in existing. But the 4 position, which is BJ, POLA, Polar Power, SQ, QuantumScape, and 2U, Teles Corporation, was placed this week. I can quickly go over why each of these was picked. Let's start with BJ. So BJ is a play that I would consider a slower play. Um, the goal of that was to see if it'll take off the same way Costco did. Seemingly that there isn't too many other competitors in the wholesale business. This play was also a lot based off the chart structure, being that 52-week high is pretty close to current market price. Entry was at 43.66. Stop is set for 41. That's a $2.66 risk per share, and a 6.1% risk from entry to stop. The next position that I placed was Polar Power, POLA. With this position, my entry was 1981. Stop was set for 17. Risk of $2.81 per share. From entry to stop, I mean, is 14%. With Polar Power, I noticed that the number of outstanding shares is roughly 13 million. That's pretty low. Probably why this explosiveness happened before. Um, I also saw that there was some support on this 18 price level. I'm hoping to have another explosive run up. So the next stock is QS. QS is in the lithium ion battery space. They make batteries for electric vehicles. The entry is that I took on was at $44.42 with a stop at 40. This trade was a little bit more, there was a little bit more risk in terms of dollar, being the risk from entry to stop in dollars is $4.42. Um, and from entry to stop, that percentage is 10%. Due to the current hype in electric vehicle, this was also a reason why I got into this play. The next position that I got into is TU, Telus Corporation. They do telecommunication and information technology products in Canada. Entry was 21.23. Stop sat at 20. Uh, the risk in dollars was $1.23. From entry to stop, that's 5.8% risk. For this one, I've noticed that there was a range. If we look at the monthly chart, there was a range between 15 and 1950. So there's been a range for a decent number of years, all the way since 2013. So being that price is above this range, I'm playing this as a breakout. And that's all the position that my portfolio currently has. Continue to follow this channel for updates. This is a weekly recap, and each week I will plan to be giving another recap similar to this. Thank you, subscribe, and follow. And if there's any comments, please leave it so I can improve. This is my very first video. Thank you. Any feedback will be great.